What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. We are of course at the new RAHQ 2.0. This is an exciting moment, exciting time for me. Honestly, super humble, super blessed. I say it so many times, guys. I don't get tired ever of saying the million thanks that I give you guys, because right now it's a work in progress. We're not fully complete with this set. I don't know what the sound sounds like. Hopefully it's not too echoey. We've still got a big logo to go back on this wall here. Fill out the space a little bit, but this is gonna be one of the new sets, guys. We've got a few more around this whole place. Hopefully you're following the vlogs to see the kind of, updates on how this place is all coming along. And I can't wait to welcome you down here, South London, grimy, ghetto, Croydon, big up Croydon massive, to come and just give you guys a big hug, shake your hands, and just say thank you face to face. We're starting off the new HQ tutorials with a 2-minute tutorial. Of course, it's Tuesday, we're banging this out really late, and I'm gassed, I'm excited, a little bit nervous, a little bit of a lump in my throat for some reason. I'm gonna teach you guys how to sync up 2 moves, all right? A crossover into a double under, and we're gonna take it to another advanced level, okay? But we're gonna basically show you, beginners, intermediates, and advanced, how to really piece these 2 moves together to get into your double unders and make them look super slick. All right, enough of me talking, guys. We're gonna get straight into the tutorial. I'm gonna get 2 minutes on the clock. Remember to hit the links down below. Grab yourself some cool apparel, the best skipping ropes on the planet. Today I'm using the Money Rope 2.0, the iconic yellow edition. And here we go, man. This is what we're gonna do with this move. This is how it's gonna look, yeah? We're mixing together, like I said, a little crossover like this into your double under. Now, you could do this a few ways, right? You could go crossover, step through, jump, but today's tutorial is showing you how to go from this cross position, arms stay crossed, and then from here we're just gonna take off double under. That's the kind of beginner version, or that's kind of like intermediate version even. Simple version, but I expect you guys to be at a crossover position here, and then you're gonna go for a double cross, take off, and that's how we do it. So taking this step by step quickly. When you now come, I'm doing this with a boxer step kind of set up here, guys, but you could do it with a running step as well if you want, but with the boxer step, cross, cross, and like I said, you wanna make sure that you feel like you're hugging yourself with these crosses. The biggest thing that people get wrong is they do the first crossover, second crossover is not the same as the first, like the arms drop or the arms come high or they do something different. You wanna cross, flick the wrist, get the second cross done, and importantly, what you wanna do is here, from this position, you wanna set the feet. I talk about it in literally all my tutorials when it comes to double unders. You set the feet, plant them, feel solid on the ground, and we're just gonna exert force into the ground, take off, legs remain straight, and then from here, we literally uncross, and we flick our wrist for the double under. So it looks like this. Here, flick, flick. Here, flick, flick. Now watch my feet. There's a noticeable split second where I need to set my feet so it doesn't look awkward, I'm not off balance. And that's the first way we're gonna do this move. So let's say you're just hitting up a nice little combination. This is a really nice way to get into double unders. Here, cross, cross. That's your double under, okay? Probably getting close to over 2 minutes already, but I'm gonna step it up a little notch. The similar sort of move, cross, cross. We're gonna go into doubles, and then we're gonna go into a double cross under. So it's a double under with our arms continued in this cross position. So the combination now could look like this. We're busting out some moves, having some fun with it. Cross, cross, double. Yeah? Like I said, you've got to keep yourself in that hug position whilst you're doing this double under. Here, it's all in the wrist, guys. I'm feeling like a really nice loose grip as I'm doing this cross, cross, which is really important because if you've got a stiff grip, it's going to stiffen up the forearms. You're not going to get a really loose rotation and a kind of wrist action to really kind of sling this rope around you. That's why if you get a loose grip here, I'm almost feeling like my fingers are kind of off the rope. Like I've only got my index and thumb as I get that cross cross done. Gives you maximum speed. And as always, you don't want to be flexing your knees on your double unders. You take off, legs are nice and straight, land back on the balls of your feet. So this combination is already looking nice. You're probably wondering, how can we make this look even slicker? We're gonna step it up another notch, okay? See if we can take it to another level, step 3. This is what you guys can get to, okay? going to showcase a different sort of version of that cross under. Could look like this, all right? Did you see the difference? Let's slow that one down, okay? This is a cross, double cross under. You land. We're still in this position, guys. We're still in a cross position. From here, we take off, and it's another double under in this cross position. So in fact, you're doing four jumps or 4 revolutions in this position. There's a lot going on. I'm gonna try and slow it down. So let's see. All right, that's the first step. That's the second step. Do you see the difference? So you're gonna double cross under, land, ropes coming around us. We're still in this hug position, loose grip. You take off at the right time, and we're gonna try and get this done. That's 3 ways on how you can use a double crossover into a double under combination. When you want to put it all together, you can make it look super slick. Have some fun with it. And that's how we roll on this channel, guys. Hope you enjoyed that first tutorial in the new HQ. This is a big day, big moment in our history. I want to thank you again from the bottom of my heart, whole of Team RA, for making this happen. Hopefully, again, you like this, the setup. We're not complete. Still got a little bit more bits and pieces to do, a few more touch-ups. But let me know if you like the lighting, the look, this new flooring, which is absolutely epic. I do miss the old HQ, but it's been some good times. We're gonna create some new, better ones, hopefully, going forward. Thank you so much for supporting. Remember, do cop your ropes. Hit the links down below, hit the subscribe button, and join us, man. As always, we're taking over cardio. The world, my army, you guys are flying like bosses, and I'm proud of you guys. Thank you, as always, every single day. I'm super grateful. Until next time, I'll see you in the next video. So take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.